Beijing 2008 Olympics. Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce running in lane 2. Watch her. One girl, send it down the truck. With your wild green banana steam calalupa there. Hey people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. Listen man, I cannot help but to think back to 2008 when Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, well, she was Shelly Ann Fraser back then, now Pryce. You know, she's the first woman from the Caribbean to win a gold medal in a 100-meter race at an Olympic Games. Listen, I was so happy. I felt as if I was the one who won the race and the gold medal as well. But listen, the road to Beijing was not easy for Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, even though she qualified for the Olympics. Listen, back at the 2008 Jamaica trials, the unknown, the inexperienced Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce was one of the competitors in the 100-meter race. Our darling back then was Veronica Campbell. So we were not focusing much on Shelly Ann Fraser because I don't know who she was. I'm almost sure say she not win. Okay, yeah man. But after the race ended, Karen Strutt won, Shelly Ann Fraser came in second, and Sharon Simpson third, and our darling Veronica Campbell came in fourth. I was like, what? What just happened? I was like, what just happened? Because Veronica Campbell came in fourth, so that means she won't be in the 100-meter race, which was devastating for me, for her, for everybody. Listen, man, it was such a moment. And, you know, a lot of people were vocal about it, saying that she was just having a bad day and Shelly Ann Fraser, well, she wasn't Pryce back then. As I mentioned before, she was just a backup. You understand? And Veronica Campbell was just having a bad day. To be honest with you, I was saying that Veronica Campbell should go to the Olympics to run in the 100 meters. She was going to the Olympics nevertheless, but to run in the relay. And then after learning from Bruce James, who is the president of MVP track, you know, he did an interview on a radio station and he was talking about how the backlash really affected Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce. And I said to myself, you know, come to think of it, even though I don't know her, but she qualified for the Olympics and she should go to the Olympics. So instantly, to be honest with you, me not compare as a couldn't tell no lie, I eventually became a wagonist. I was saying that no, she must go to the Olympics. She is qualified for the Olympics. Veronica Campbell, I love you, but you did not qualify. Okay? So you're going to go to the Olympics to run the relay because that's what you qualified for. Okay? So I became a wagonist. And so when Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, you know, she went through her rounds and she did well, and you know, she was in the final, and I was like, yes, Miguel, one of the biggest Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce fans, you know. Hey, hey, Lord God, not even a fan of full air conditioner. Yes, my dear, but you must understand, I didn't know her, man. You understand? At first, but after seeing how, you know, she's a little warrior, you see her there, you know. Yeah, man, she is a little warrior. She was saying, I have to go to the Olympics, man. She was campaigning, man. She's a little warrior. Yeah, man, she deserved everything that she got that is good. Yeah, man. She really worked for it. And she won the race, and I was so happy, yes, because not only she won the race, but she also created history by being the first woman from the Caribbean to win a gold medal in the 100-meter race at an Olympic Games. So, that's Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce for you, man. Yeah, man. I was just remembering that day back in 2008. You understand? Yeah, man. And look at her now with all her accomplishment. She deserve it. Yes, man. She worked hard. Yeah, man. She deserve it. And history almost repeated itself. Just the other day at the recent Olympics, um, Omar McLeod in the men's 110-meter hurdles, Omar McLeod did not qualify at the Jamaica trials, and yet he wanted to go to the Olympics, saying that he need to go and defend his title, and he didn't qualify. And I was like, remember the Shelly and Fraser Price incident? And people were saying that he should go because he's the only one that can give us a gold medal. And listen, we got the gold medal and he wasn't there. Ansel Parchment gave us that gold medal, and we even got a bronze from Ronald Levy. So you see, we don't know what will happen. We can only predict and guess and spell what will happen, but we don't know what will happen. So I guess we should learn from those two incidents. So Shelly and Fraser Price, big up yourself, girl. You work very hard for whatever you achieve, and yeah, yes, man, enough love over yourself. Wow, good people.